Back to my channel. Let's talk, ladies.
Girl, I got some bundles.
Make a brother sing, no ordinary thing, a supernatural.
Broke my ass. You put water on the floor, asshole. I don't know it.
Stop.
You want anima? You want anima? All right, sister.
Chivundo.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be trying the stocking cap method. I'm new to this, so just bear with me, please. So this is my braid pattern. I just braid my hair straight back, no special kind of way. The parts is not even straight, it's just braided back. And this is the hair freshly washed. The hair is plucked, the frontal is constructed. I will leave a video down below how I do that. Alright, so step one, you just want to get alcohol and an alcohol pad and clean your forehead before you apply the got to be glue. So that's what you just want to apply. I did my forehead and my edges. So here's step two. Step two, you want to apply the stocking cap. Of course, you want to get the stocking cap that matches your scalp color or your skin color. And so I got the brown, which is perfect, and I got the got to be glue, but the black one instead of the yellow one because I heard it's not that much flakes or leave-out or residue. So I got the black one, and so I'm just applying it to my edges and slightly a little bit on my hair because that's where the whole frontal part is going to go. So the got to be glue is dry. Of course, I did the blow drying off camera because I was in a room and the kids were sleeping, so I did not want to disturb them. I did this about 2 times. I applied glue, blow dry it, I applied more glue, blow dry it, and then so now I'm cutting off the excess lace. Because I'm a beginner, the part that kind of got me is that I put too much of the stocking cap down. So you just want to lift it up even though you're going to cut it. It was way down too much on my forehead. So when I had put the wig on, it looked like if I didn't have a forehead, as much as I already don't have a forehead. So that's what I know now. Like I said, this is my first time doing it, so now that I know how to do it now, it comes out perfect. So like I said here, I had to end up cutting more stocking cap, but this method was pretty okay. And I hear a lot of people say like, oh my gosh, this takes so long, it's like over an hour. It didn't take me that long. It didn't take me long at all, probably like 25 minutes the most, but it didn't take long at all. This is so easy. So you could part, of course you could part your frontal any way you choose to. But yeah, as you can see, this is so much better the way I cut it here. Like this is so much better. It was just all down my whole forehead. So this is the last step. This is where I'm just, of course, applying the wig. And I did it section by section by section. I did one side, then the middle, then the other side. And what was I using? Because I didn't have a rat tail pick comb, whatever you call it, a rat tail comb, whatever. And I didn't have that, so I think I had to use something else. See, now that I finished that section, I'm going into a different, different section. That way, your frontal doesn't be crooked or not as you please because you did the whole thing at the same time. I mean, if you're a pro like that, then you go ahead on and be my guest. Oh, I was using a pair of scissors. Oh well, better than nothing. But yeah, so this is how you just want to do it. After you finish to apply this, you just make sure that, I'm sorry, I was looking into the mirror. But you just want to make sure that everything is fine and it's down to how you like it. That's the AliExpress here, honey, so you know how that goes. I think I'm doing a lot of rambling, and it was just a little piece over there where it needed to be put down. So yeah, so that's all, you guys. Alright, you guys, this is the final result. Instead of me doing what I was supposed to do, showing you the hair and the edges and the baby hair, I was having a whole conversation. And Emo see me doing a video, but he wants to have a whole conversation. So I apologize about that, you guys. But as you can see here, this is perfect. Look like it's coming out of my scalp. It's just, you know, it's AliExpress hair, so. But let me not ramble again. But thanks you guys for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share the whole shenanigans. And thanks for watching, and see you next time. And I hope you guys really enjoyed. And if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask, comment, or email, or whatever you have to do. Thank you again.